What is up, guys? Dallas here with Integral Truck, and for today's video we will be showing you how to install our GM integral straps here on this 2021 Silverado. Our GM integral straps are available for 2019 and up for the 1500s, and then 2020 and up for the HDs. And if you head to our website integraltruck.com, we have them available there. We sell them in single packs, double packs, and even 4-packs as well. And what's great about our GM integral straps, as seen here on this 2021 Chevy Silverado, you can pair them up with our other accessories here by Integral Truck, such as our rail kit systems, our bulkhead systems. Don't have a Chevy or GMC? Well, we also got options for Ford, Ram, and Toyota. So head over to our website so that you can get your truck decked out just like this. So now let's go ahead and go into our GM integral straps and show you how to install them, because it's pretty dang simple. For today's install, you're just going to need your ratchet, a 13mm, and that's pretty much it. As for parts, we have our retractable GM integral strap. We have 2 tie-down points. And then we also have these, and you guys will see exactly why we will need them. All right, now let's get to it. First, you want to go ahead and pick the location on where you want to mount your retractable GM integral strap. So we chose the front of the bed on the passenger side. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your 2 mounting pieces, set them right there, and make sure the bigger part of the mounting piece is on the top side so that it can lock down just like this. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your ratchet strap. And don't let go now, because if you do, it'll fall just like that. So go ahead and grab your ratchet strap and hold it. You want your 2 tie-down points, and already have your screws in there. You can either face your tie-down point towards the outside or the inside. And since we do have a tonneau cover on right here, as you see, we're going to go ahead and face this on the inside. Now once we get that tie-down point in there, we're going to go ahead and thread our bolts to our mounting piece right behind it. All right, now we have that threaded. We're going to go ahead and get our second tie-down point, and we're going to also face this towards the inside as well. And you're just going to repeat the first steps that we just went over. So go ahead and thread those 2 bolts to the mounting piece in the back. All right, now we have both of our tie-down points threaded to the mounting piece in the back of our ratchet strap. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our ratchet and go ahead and tighten those 13mm bolts. And to give yourself more clearance and more room, you slightly just press this red button, pull it down, and there you go. Now that thing ain't going nowhere. Now that you have your GM integral strap mounted onto your pickup, let's learn how to use it. First, we'll learn how to pull our ratchet strap, as so, and then press this red button on the top, and then it'll retract our ratchet strap. Again, we're going to go ahead and pull this guy out, and then learn how to use a ratchet. Just like a normal traditional ratchet. When this is in the forward position, right there as you see, it'll lock this guy, so that ain't going nowhere. If you press this button towards and push it towards the back, it'll give you slack, just as so. So just be mindful when you are securing and using this to tie down a payload of something of that sort. You want to make sure this is in the front position so that it'll lock your ratchet. And there you go. So if you want your truck decked out just like this, head over to our website, integraltruck.com. Thank you guys for watching. We definitely appreciate your guys' support. We hope you learned something today during today's video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.